Just caught Mama tripping. Habog, Mama. You habog? Habog? No? Okay, now we've got a nice new place to live in, but for some strange reason people prefer to party outside. So this is our neighbours on our lot. They just like to join us. You have to smile.
Like monkey, Glenn?
Like a fiesta. Yeah. So what are you cooking there? Maize. I mean, this is maize that was grown on the lot. Papa, he grew this maize, and everybody here is just relaxing and enjoying with the charcoal. Makes it more lummy. Where's Nini? Oh wow, that looks lummy. Hello. Hello. Ishay. Okay.
Si Impoy ay. Matag-agad si Bibiboy mao kurtig.
We're going into the market. I'm gonna video in the market now. Okay. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.